Finally, they showed up. We didn't even ask them to come, but they just came on their own. Wow. I had just came back from the grocery store, and when I got back, they were back here trimming. Yes, you can see they already trimmed quite a bit off of our tree, because look at our porch. Wow. Yeah, they trimmed a lot. They're going crazy with the tree, that's for sure. I wanted that tree really trimmed back a lot more than that. Look how many branches are on our roof. They're trimming all the trees back here. They're trimming these trees. They did the palms a couple days ago, a couple weeks ago. Wow. This branch right here, they really trimmed that branch a lot. Wow. Yeah, they trimmed a lot of that branch. They trimmed a lot more than I thought they would have done. We wanted them to trim that much for 800 bucks. They're doing it for free. The park's paying for this.
I see this one branch, I don't like it.
Where?
It's dead.
Where?
Over there, this crooked branch. There's nothing on it.
Well, it's not over our house, it doesn't matter. It's not over our house, so it doesn't matter.
Where's it gonna fall to?
Straight down in our grass, right?
But they trimmed them all off and threw along there.
Yeah.
Half an hour.
Yeah.
Without even paying.
Right. Yeah, that was gonna be like 800 bucks. That's a lot of branches. Looks like there's a bird's nest up there. Looks like it up there. Looks good. They trimmed it good. We wanted it trimmed back for the hurricane season coming up. They did a good job. Come on back in the house. She wants me to tell them to do stuff. They're going to do what they want to do. Wow, the entire porch is filled up with branches. I wanted Chris to come over with his little pole saw and cut a few branches off. He would never have been able to cut off this much. The whole backyard's full. Oh my God. They trimmed more than they ever trimmed. Wow. Look at that branch. My God, that branch is huge. That branch is gigantic. The whole backyard is completely filled with branches. They trimmed way more than $800 worth. Wow. He's getting the stuff off the roof right now.